Hey everyone, today we are making my kids' new favorite pasta recipe. Let's get started. Melt the butter and add Italian seasoning, red pepper flakes, a pinch of salt, and black pepper. Next, grate lots of garlic for that garlicky flavor. Mix everything well and store it in the refrigerator if you are making this ahead of time. Meanwhile, bring water to a boil, add salt, and then add spaghetti. Push the spaghetti down little by little or use a wider pot. It only takes a minute to get all the spaghetti in the water. While the pasta is cooking, add hand-chopped basil to the butter for extra freshness. We want to cook the pasta in exact amount of water, so remove any extra water and keep aside. We can add this water back later if needed to cook the pasta. Taste the pasta to see if it's done to your liking. If it's a bit dry, add a little water. Add half of the garlic butter and couple whole dried red chilies, if you like, and mix it in. Add more garlic butter as needed. Lastly, when serving, drizzle some olive oil and sprinkle Parmesan cheese on top. This pasta, by the way, tastes delicious when cold as well, making it a great lunch option for kids' school. I know my kids have requested that I make this for their school lunch going forward. I'm sure you all will enjoy this recipe and let me know how you like it. Until next time, take care. Enjoy.